Easy to take off, easy to put on with the squeeze of a trigger. DECERK 21-volt system, 160 minutes of runtime of two 4-amp batteries. We're going to open this up, show you what you get inside, how it's packaged and all. Comes in a nice plastic hard shell case. Clip open, lift up with the instruction guide laid on top. Two 21-volt 4-amp batteries, the charging locations, the charging dock with the green and red light. Placing in the battery for charging for the first time allowed the battery to charge and turn green. A belt clip, an O-ring and pin, 5 impacts with an extension, and the impact tool, size of an extra large hand. It is a moderate weight with the safety left and right clicking system and the trigger and the 1/2-inch impact where the pin and ring go on. A rubber top, the venting area, the battery compartment. Setting up the tool is simply sliding the battery in, picking the socket with the O-ring first over, matching the hole for hole, sliding the pin in with finger in the back, and adjusting. Sliding over the band, both sides, you're ready to use. Located over here is the control panel of your settings, or what to set it on. We're going to change out the socket and go change a tire by taking the pin out, the socket, removing the band, and grabbing the correct size we need by setting up. 17 millimeter. Place on, matter of a couple of seconds to change out and set things up. And we're ready to go, show you that change. Let's go demonstrate how to loosen up bolts and take a tire off. Demonstrating how things work. Easy to take off, easy to put on with the squeeze of a trigger.